Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is another power bank case that I got on eBay. I believe this one was only $2.63. Come with the free shipping. It come from China, so I think it'll take about like 2 weeks. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So this time around is the pink one. I got the black one last time. So let's go ahead and see if the same. So as you can see, it is made in China. So here is the circuit board. Come with the power button and also like a mirror finish. You would say power right here. Okay, POWER. And then there will be your LED indicator for your 18650 battery. Unfortunately, this one does not come with the contact, so this one I will have to solder in to install the battery. Okay, and then this black frame just go in there like that. So here is my block on it. By the way, I am still didn't have time to work on it right now, but I'll get my hands on it. So as you can see, it shows power. So it's a mirror, so it's kind of hard to see. And you see like a 25, 50, 75, 25, 50, 75, and 100. Okay, this is what does it look like on the back. So since I peel off already, I'm not sure if I should do this, so I'm just gonna slap this on. Hopefully it's clean. Okay, all you do just put it on and glue it on like that. And this is all scratched up. This is just a plastic protective film that you could remove later on. So I'm not gonna remove it right now unless I install everything in there. Okay. So, and I'm gonna do like hopefully it's gonna be not too long, like a DIY tutorial on how to build your battery packs. I mean your own power bank. Gonna start from beginning, like by removing a battery pack out of a used laptop battery. We're gonna break that and then recycle those batteries. That's what I did from previous power bank. And then we're going to pop this in. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell for notification, and drop any comments on below. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.